Hey guys, welcome back at season 4 of My Ozzie Story. The last season ended up a little bit sad, but I can tell you that time has passed and I'm ready for some new adventures. In the next couple of episodes, I'm going to show you a little bit about my work here in Sydney, but above all, I'm going to show you the East Coast trip I did together with Nico and Erik. That was absolutely an amazing time with those amazing two guys. Also, I bought that little device that is recording me now. It's the drone, which gave me the opportunity to make even better footage and bring my Ozzie story to a higher level. I'm gonna cut it short for now because I'm just so stoked to show you my own new footage and my drone is about to fly away. So whatever, enjoy watching the new season of My Ozzie Story. Woo!
This is the good part.
Yes, after I came back from my trip to Holland, I had to go back to work and save some money again. In Sydney, I worked for about 1 year in construction, and at the moment we are renovating a bathroom in the Northern Beaches.
Let the horse go. Let the horse go.
Good morning, it's Monday again, it's time for a new week. We're still working on this job where we finished last week. We made a new fundament for the floor and now I'm putting the floor in. I'm almost finished, but it's a bit complicated though. Anyway, something to think about it, a new puzzle, and that's what I like about this work. I just have to explain this quickly. This is actually another project. I worked on 2 projects at the same time. So last week we actually finished with making the cuts for the cabinet that's coming in the other side, so not in the bathroom but in the bedroom. There's an extra hole in the wall right now. There's one problem, and that is like structure wise it's not really solid, so we have to fill everything with concrete now and make it extra strong. Another challenge in this already amazing project. Alright, I filled up all the gaps with insulation. Now that's finished, so it's all waiting for the sheets when they got delivered, and then we can sheet everything on, and then it's work for the tiler again. Oh yeah, this is my boss and that's his car, a typical Australian ute. This project was actually a big one because we had to build a whole new floor. Unfortunately, I lost some of my footage, so I can't show you that process, but it was good fun and a lot to learn. Here we are almost done with sheeting. Just some finishing touches and then our work is done for now. It's winter in Sydney right now, and that means that we go winter camping today. We have weekend, we're going to the Blue Mountains with some friends from the hostel. Tonight's gonna be very, very chilly, but a new experience, and I think it's gonna be great fun. We arrived in the Blue Mountains. Maybe if you watched my videos before, you recognize this camp spot because I've already been here before. Now I'm with my friends from the hostel, together with Nico, Valentino, Gus, hey! Justin and Eric. We're gonna have a very nice evening today. At least we have more and enough timber.
It's gonna be huge.
Huge. No, I don't want a beanie hat. Why are you going to the Kmart? No, I don't want a beanie hat. Why? Beanie hat's not necessary. Why do you want to have a beanie hat? Regardless the cold, we had a great and cozy night at the fire. Made some delicious burgers and I enjoyed the amazing company. This is what life makes so awesome. Thanks for watching and see you guys next week.